In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze survey reports in Zoho Survey. Open your browser and search for Zoho. From the results, click the official Zoho site and sign in with your account. Once you're in, choose Survey from the list of apps to get to your survey dashboard. On the All Surveys page, locate the survey you want to analyze and click its name. Clear naming and folders make this easier, so if you manage many surveys, consider a consistent naming convention for future projects. Inside the survey, select View Report to open a detailed overview of your results. You'll first see a summary of responses. This section gives you quick, visual insights into each question, typically with charts and counts. Use it to spot top selections, distribution patterns, and any outliers at a glance. If your survey includes scales or ratings, pay attention to averages and ranges, as they can highlight strengths and problem areas quickly. Switch to Individual Responses to review each submission separately. This is helpful for understanding context behind the numbers, validating unexpected trends, and catching inconsistent entries. While reviewing, keep respondent privacy in mind and focus on patterns rather than single comments unless they consistently recur. Filters help you narrow the data to exactly what you need. Apply filters by criteria such as date range, collector, location, or any qualifying question in your survey. For example, filter to responses from the last month, or segment by customer type to compare experiences. Filters update your charts and counts instantly, giving you a focused view for specific questions you're trying to answer. For deeper analysis, explore the advanced options. Custom reports let you choose which questions to include and how to arrange them so you can present only the metrics that matter to your audience. Crosstab reports compare two questions side by side, for instance, satisfaction by region, to reveal relationships you might miss in a simple summary. Trend reports chart responses over time, helping you spot spikes, dips, and seasonal patterns that inform timing and strategy. When you're ready to share or archive your findings, stay in the report view and click the export icon. Choose the format that suits your needs, such as image or PDF. PDFs are great for polished summaries you'll email or present, while images work well for slides and quick inserts. The export respects your current filters, so double-check that you've applied the right ones before downloading. If you've connected your survey to Google Sheets, your data can automatically flow there in real time, making it easy to build live dashboards and collaborate with your team. And that's it. Your survey insights, clearly collected, analyzed, and ready to share.